These are the Fantech GS205 Hellscream speakers. With a metal name like that, how can I resist? These are budget wired RGB gaming speakers from Fantech, and I'm pretty excited to test them out and incorporate them into my secondary rig. Let's go. Before we continue with this video, I would like to remind you that if you are enjoying this content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a solo content creator, and I do all this to make sure that all of you are informed about the products you're about to purchase. Every subscription helps keep this channel running. Thank you. Now, on to the video. So the Fantech GS205 Hellscream comes in a rather simple small black box. Here at the front we can see a photo of the product and a few notable features. Apparently it's got RGB, a USB plus 3.5mm plug, a base resonance membrane, and 45mm drivers. Alright. At the back we can see some more pertinent information, but we'll skip on over ahead to opening the box. As we can see, the speakers fit snugly inside the box and have no cushioning to protect them from bumps during shipping. They are somewhat protected by these plastic bags though. So these are the Fantech GS205 Hellscream RGB gaming speakers. They're pretty small. The build is primarily plastic with metal mesh that spans the front and the top of the speakers. It looks like the main speaker is here at the top for that 360-degree speaker coverage. There's a small Fantech logo at the front, and the whole circumference of the speaker is wrapped in this fingerprint showing glossy plastic. Here at the bottom of the face of the speaker, we have an elongated U-shaped piece that acts as the RGB light. I hope it's pretty bright when turned on. And here at the bottom, we see that it's got 3 rubber-ended feet, and surprisingly, this is quite rare, a downward firing bass speaker. That's way cool. Halfway through the cable, we can see that it has an inline volume control wheel, and at the very end, we can see the USB and 3.5mm jack input. I assume that the USB is only for powering the speaker and the RGB lights, and the 3.5mm jack is the sole input that the speaker accepts. Alright, that's everything for the product tour. Now comes the most exciting thing, the sound test. Let's go. So for this sound test, I will be comparing it to my current main rig speakers, the JBL Quantum Duo. Yes, I know that this is a far comparison, seeing as the JBLs are premium gaming desktop speakers, but they're the only desktop speakers I've got, and the Fantech GS205s will not be replacing them. They're actually going to go at my secondary rig that I will be using to test laptops with. For listening performance, I set up my Zoom H1 recorder at the regular place where my head is at when I'm listening to music on my desktop. As a reference, let's start with the JBL speakers. Don't they just sound lovely? Now, let's hear the Fantech GS205 Hellscream, placed at almost exactly where the JBL speakers are. Don't the Hellscream sound fantastic? Might I remind you guys that these are just 530 Philippine pesos. That's $10 and change. Yes, speakers that sound like these, which are totally passable and actually pretty surprising for their size, all for the price of a fully loaded lunch? Color me impressed. Plus, they look great with my secondary rig setup. Yeah, this is it, chief. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Fantech GS205 Hellscream RGB speakers. Do you have any questions about these speakers? Let me know in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe, check out my previous video, and stay tuned to my channel for more tech and tech adjacent videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.